So is the Yoni steamer actually legit? Yes, it is. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, let's go to it. So if you're new here, hey, my name's Camille. I talk about hygiene and I pull the cord kitchen sometimes. I leave for a long time and then I come back acting like nothing happened. So we're gonna do this. So it's called the vaginal steamer. And this is for period cramps. This is for getting rid of the dirty smell, because don't nobody want that. But of course, every girl that has that part has had it before. So we're not going to try to act like, oh, it never happened to most girls, because it has. It's a vagina and it is very sensitive, and I'm pretty sure every single girl in the world has had it or will have it. It's normal. You live and you learn. So if you have it before, don't be shy to admit it. So okay, let's go right here and let's see on here. So this is what I'm talking about right here. It's perfect. So I have one just like this, but it is blue. And so what you do is you get some Epsom salt. Epsom salt creates, like, it gets in there. And it's very, very natural, so you don't have to worry about, like, oh, it's getting inside. Like, it's natural, so you don't have to worry about it. And warning you, once you put salt in water, it will get hotter. So if you're thinking, oh, if I put this in here, you know, it's going to be all cool, you will burn your booty and you will burn your Yoni. So that's one that I had to learn myself. I had to wait half an hour for it to cool down. Even when I added a cup of cold water, it was still hot. Why? Because of the salt. But the Epsom salt really, really helps, especially when you're soaking in there for an hour. I personally soak it for an hour, maybe 45 minutes, and then I hop my butt inside the shower and I wash up. So you put, what I've been doing, I haven't been using Epsom salt, but I have been using tea tree oil and coconut oil. Coconut oil and tea tree oil mixed together makes a perfect combination. And when I tell you, when it's steaming in there and you're getting all of it in there, you will smell better. But of course, I hate to be one of them people to be saying this, but you definitely need to have a good diet to be doing this, because if you're eating all that junk food, it is not going, you're not going to get the results that you need and you want. I had to learn my way. When I was eating bad food, my pH balance was thrown off. Not off, but off. And I had to learn it. So I'm on the diet now, and it smells so much better, and it is looking so much better, and it is lining up. It is incredible. It's incredible. So if you're trying it, you can get some Epsom salt, you can get some tea tree oil, and if you don't have Epsom salt or tea tree oil, just use coconut oil and water and just soak. Or if you don't even have that coconut oil, just soak it in water. The whole thing is soaking it during periods, during periods, during period cramps, during smelly times, women that's about to go through birth, if you're having contractions, I believe it can help with that too. You can just soak it in there and make it feel much better. That's why women be having babies inside of the bathtub, because it feels better, like, you know, all the warmth. Okay, so yeah, so you can find this on Amazon. As you can see, hopefully it doesn't turn around, but yeah, it's on Amazon. Let's see how much it is, because I forgot how much. I think it was under $43. Mine was under $30. So just go on Amazon and look for the cheapest ones if you don't have money like that, and don't feel embarrassed. Everybody have their times. So, alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And it does work, and I have one of my own, and I'm not just going to be saying this because I just want everybody to, I have tried it. I might do it today, and it feels amazing, and you will get the results that you need. So, bye.